Our company is located outside of Helsingborg. This is a family business. My dad started it in the middle of the 80s, and now I run it with my wife. We are specialized in CNC machining, specifically milling. When we have to do programming and that has become a bottleneck, it usually means that our machines sometimes stand still waiting for the programming to be made. And that means our investments are not currently making money. And we're trying to explore new tools to make that more efficient.
The future of manufacturing is digital, and we want to be there and really help our customer on that journey. And we want to simplify for the customer to digitalize their operations.
We have been working with GibbsCAM for I think 14 years now, and it's a really good software, but it's also very simple to overview. For example, if I get a new employee that hasn't gotten training yet, getting them to understand the basics of the program is very easy. Also, a new tool that's been made accessible to us is that they've got a GibbsCAM Copilot. And this means that the newly employees can ask questions directly to an AI and get answers. Most of the jobs should be a lot more automated. And I think AI is the way forward. And we have been using Up2Parts as a pilot project to see how far we can go now. But we're confident that this is the way into the future. Up2Parts give us opportunity to upload step files and drawings to make drafts of the programming. So maybe I can get 50% of the programming already done when I open the project file instead of doing all the basics, and then I can focus on the more difficult operations and optimizations. When we're done with our CAM programming and are ready to post the program, we still find a lot of parts of the program that are not really perfect. And that's where we use Vericut Optimizer. We're able to get around 20-25% on the cycle time reduction. That means the tool will last longer. We're able to make more parts in the same time. This could help us very much in the future. I'm very happy for this opportunity we've had to work with Sandvik. I think if we keep at this pathway of increasing our efficiency, it will be a lot easier for us to stay competitive and to grow. So many things are evolving right now. It's important to stay ahead of the curve. Otherwise, it will be a very long distance to adapt to what's coming.